We've all been there. You're thinking about getting insurance to protect your property, so you go to a company's website and you're told to spend hours jumping through hoops just to get an idea of whether insurance is going to be affordable or worth it at all. And sometimes, even after all that work, you find out that no, it's not, or your initial quote might be out by miles. We at Mark Bates Limited strive to do everything that we can to make choosing us as easy as possible for you. Want to get a good idea of how much a policy will cost? Simply scroll down to our quick quote generator, fill in the information that it asks for, and click Get a Quick Quote, just like that. All that's left is for you to decide whether you want to take out insurance with us. For more videos like this one, click the playlist on your screen now. If you need any help, feel free to get in touch with one of our customer support agents by calling us at 01476 591104. Thanks for watching.